This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 65 of Building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. In this issue, we're doing the other top side that we did a few issues back. So first of all, we've got to fix a little silver chromey piece into there. Go in there just like that. That holds in nicely, but we're going to put it in place with 2 screws as well. Yeah, I don't know why. Sometimes they use screws for the sake of it, but it tells me to, so I will. I don't think it's going anywhere, and it's obviously not a functional piece that would need any pressure on it, but we'll put the screws in and we'll hold that in place. Through there. There we go. So that does the job. And then we need 3 more of these other screws to hold that onto the rest of the interior. So let's get those out of there. There's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Why have I got 4? There's only 1 left in there. There should only be 3, I think. I think one of those is a pin. Yeah, all right. So this is going onto there, onto that side, just like the first side we did a while back. There's a pin at the top piece there, and 1, 2, 3 more screws to hold that in place. But they come out of there. Come out of there. They didn't go in there properly. I shall make sure they screw in properly as well. That's interesting. Let's have a look at that. Why are they? Felt like they went in. Seems that they didn't. In which case, let's forget about that. I shall read the right instructions. Didn't pay any attention to the types of screws required. That's why there's more of them than there are of this. Because I need the bigger screws for that bit. And one of those is one of these, because one of these is a smaller screw than the others. So there you go. That's why that's that. 3 of those, or 2 of those now. Yeah, 2 of those bigger ones, and 1 little one to go through there. So the 2 big ones there. That's it. I understand that now. The first top piece is just a pin that goes through there. Get that in there, then that will help everything else line up, won't it? Goes in there like so, and then that I can rotate around. Get the rest of it lined up. Right, so let me grab one of the bigger ones. Get that in the first hole there. And that doesn't feel like that's going in there properly. Is that the big one, or is that a small one I picked up again? Let's try a different screw. I think I might have had the other smaller one. there by mistake. That lines up properly. Go for that one. No, I'm not getting that lined up properly for some reason. Am I not getting that lined up properly? This is where it has to be. For some reason I've got a bit of a gap through there, which I haven't got on the other side. So something's not lining up right. Can't see exactly what it is that's not lining up right. Alright, let me play with this for a minute and then come back and show you how it actually goes together. Yep, there we go. I just had to get the things lined up properly. But that's that all attached in there now. So we've got the other side to that and all nicely assembled. Yeah, I mean, it's obviously going to be back seat there. So maybe that extra piece is the back of the back seat. Still trying to play with it and figure it out, but I can't. I've got no idea. That feels like that should be back of the seat, maybe. But that's going to go there, and then why would it need to be hinged? I don't know. And next time I think we're playing with something else near the front. So I don't think we're going to find out this time anyway. But I'm sure next pack we'll find out. So next time is a quick build episode. So I shall be doing the quick build and then looking through the magazine as well. So join me for that in a couple of days' time. And I shall see you for some more very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.